Ang natuloy naman pong investigasyon ay yung impeachment trial po ni Vice President Sara Duterte. And I'm sure sinusubaybayan niyo rin po siya, no? So ano po
Opo.
sa tingin niyo yung direksyon na pinatutunguhan po nito?
But from the start, sinabi ko na noon na this impeachment proceedings is not a question of legality. It is not a question about yung mga testigo, ebidensya. I think there is absolutely none that they can have produced or anything there sa Kongreso, sa Senado na magpuproduce that will result to the impeachment of VP Sara. Because realistically speaking, wala silang bilang. They needed 16 senators to impeach VP Sara Duterte. Right now, they don't have that number. So why is this going on? Bakit may impeachment pa? Ipinilit pa rin. Because this is propaganda. This is propaganda war. And the witnesses so far presented, makikita ninyo, wala talaga pang after 5 witnesses already, wala pa silang naikakabit diretso, no, na matibay na ebidensya. And if this is a propaganda war, I think the administration has already failed. The prosecutors have already failed. Kasi wala silang mailabas na talagang pasabog na makikita ng mga taong bayan na sasabihin na magbabago ng isip yung mga tao, ay magnanakaw pala talaga si VP Sara. So far right now, there's nothing, you know.
So are you confident that she'll be acquitted? Kasi nasa second item pa lang tayo, Article 4, no? Second issue pa lang.
Article
Sinasabi pa Article 1. No, kaya nga, I mean, di ba there are 4 articles. So yung second issue pa lang ang tinatakel. So sinasabi nga nila, aabot pa ng 90 days. So sa tingin mo, sa haba ng prosesyon, ma-acquit si VP Sara?
Yes, I think so. You know, itong impeachment kasi it's not a legal process. It is a political process. Pinag-uusapan mo dito, actually, hindi ebidensya, kundi bilang. Kaya itong nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Bilang ito. So, if you don't have the numbers, you don't have an impeachment. You cannot recruit the president with 13 senators. So that's a reality that the administration is facing right now. But that's why they're doing everything para pababain yung bilang ng opposition, hoping that they can lower the threshold of the numbers of senators na boboto kay against or for Sara Duterte. Kaya ang pinag-uusapan dapat 22 na ang basihan ng bilang, you know. Dapat 14 na lang, dapat 15 na lang. Because they know they don't have the required number. But as the impeachment trial progresses at habang tumatagal ito, this is working against the prosecution. Because it is working against the prosecution. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is a battle for the hearts and minds of the people. And the service will show that people are not interested in the impeachment. I think only 1 out of every 10 Filipinos are now just watching the impeachment. So mababa ang interest level ng mga tao dito sa impeachment. It's because many are getting bored by the
hearings.
process. Ng hearings. Tapos wala namang nangyayari. Wala namang pasabog.